Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. In this lesson, lesson 11, I will explain to you how to implement the while loop in Golang. Let's start. A while loop in Golang is a control flow statement that allows you to repeat a block of code as long as a certain condition is met. The syntax is simple. We need to use the keyword for followed by the condition, the Boolean expression. Open and close parentheses, and of course, the code to be executed. As I said, very simple. Let's see with a real example. First, we need to define a variable, we are going to call it age, that we will use as our loop counter. Then, we need to define the condition for our loop. In this case, we want to continue looping as long as the variable is less than 5. Then we create our while loop with the condition that we wrote, and the code to be executed will be just printing the value of the variable, and then we need to increment the value of the variable by 1. This code will output the numbers 0 through 4, since our condition is the variable age less than 5. One thing to keep in mind with the while loops is that you must be careful to not create an infinite loop. An infinite loop is a loop that never ends, and it can crash our program if not handled properly. To avoid this, make sure to properly update the loop counter or condition within the body of the loop, so the loop will eventually end. Now let's test the code. Open the terminal and type go run main.go. Perfect. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and now that you have better understanding on how to implement the while loop in Golang. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to be always updated about the new video that I will upload, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.